getting down here. This is Ginza. So I spend here maybe 10-15 minutes just to see how it looks, skyscrapers and everything is very important. Then I take another train, different metro, and go to Shinjuku. So Shinjuku I spend another 30 minutes, and then I finally go to Shibuya, my hostel. So I go to Indian restaurant as usual, Shahanshah, take my dinner and go to Shibuya, my hostel. Three important lines here in Shinjuku, sorry Ginza. One is Ginza line, one is Hibiya line, and is one Marunouchi line. So next, after this I have to go to Shinjuku. So I will just check where exactly I have to go after coming here. This is Ginza station, looking beautiful with Japanese style decoration. So Japanese style houses. So Ginza is very famous business district for shopping, for offices, skyscrapers, so everything. Finally in Ginza. So this is looking like Manhattan, New York. So you can see the skyscrapers. So here you can spend it at least 1 or 2 hours here. So I don't have time. So this is all shopping, skyscrapers. So this is real Tokyo Central. So this is looking much better than Shibuya. Shibuya is all looks like congested, but this you see the streets. So this is looking like Manhattan or Singapore or Manhattan with all shops. This is Ginza. Just I wanted to experience Ginza. I think it would be very expensive to stay here in a hotel. It is getting dark, so I can't record better than this. So it is 6 p.m. because visibility is very poor today. So it is raining, it is cold, it is only 4 degrees centigrade. So visibility is almost zero if we go around 300 meters. So this is Mikimoto, I don't know what is it, is a building name maybe. So that is Rolex watches, maybe advertisement or maybe building, I don't know. This is another street in Ginza. So this also looks like very beautiful with all big buildings, showrooms like Nissan, Sony. So they are born and brought up here, Nissan, Sony, okay, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Panasonic, Mitsubishi, so you name anything. So they are all from Japan. So here, so Sansui, so Kawasaki, so they all come from Japan. So I have to take this Marunouchi line. So then 7 stops is 300 meters. I have to go 7 stops and then I can go to Shinjuku, busiest train station in the world. Sad that I am going today, last day in Tokyo, because I didn't have time yesterday and day before yesterday, because I was just traveling by Shinkansen, experiencing Shinkansen like anything. So Marunouchi line, 275 meters. So I will walk like this with other Tokyoites, or people from Tokyo, or people from around the world. So this is the first time I am going by Marunouchi. I have traveled by Ginza, I have traveled by other metro lines like Yamanote, important line, I forgot. Yamanote line, Ginza line, Tokai line. So now first time I'm traveling in Marunouchi line. So there are several lines in Tokyo. Several. Each big district is connected by several, maybe 10 lines, like Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ginza, Ginza is only covered by 3-4 lines. This is Ginza. So, but Shinjuku is covered by more than 10 lines because it is the world's busiest train station. So you can see right side Hibiya line, straight 170 meters is Marunouchi line. So we can't miss it. It is easy. You no need to ask anyone, and we can always Google it, and Google will give you from where we have to start and which station we have to go and what line we have to take and how much time it will take, how much time we have to walk. But like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. See, this is Marunouchi line. So I am in Ginza. So I have to go to Shinjuku. Marunouchi line 140 meters. Still I have to walk further. So I will film it. I am entering Marunouchi line. So I am using my Suica card. It shows the balance size 1937. Still I can use it tomorrow. No, in the bus to go to Tokyo station. No, but Tokyo I will use JR bus. So, but I can use this card in Osaka metro. So this is Marunouchi line. So now I have to see where I have to go for Shinjuku. I can see this is Shinjuku. But I have to come
The train is arriving at track 3.
So this line
Please
is
stand back
this
behind
is
the yellow.
So I am entering Marunouchi, very beautiful bright red color. Train number is 2047. So I got down this from this train. So this is Marunouchi line. So this is Shinjuku station. So there are 3 stations named Shinjuku, but this is the last station. So Shinjuku, I go upstairs, exit, spend some time and come back here and take another train, go to... So finally I have reached busiest train station in the world. So it serves 3.5 million passengers every day. 3.5 million, so that is 34 lakhs. So it is not a joke. So it's very biggest, like busiest station. So it serves JR lines, it serves, so several metro lines. So it's busiest. You can see. I just will walk for some time in the same station so that you can get how busy it is. But it is not like, it is like 6:30 p.m. So it is not busy like in the morning, in the evening. So it's very... So the police everywhere because it's busiest. So they have to protect it. So you can see there are 200 exits for this station. See, A7, A6, Shinjuku Dori Avenue exit. So you can understand how big it is and how busy it is. So we can take any exit, go out and again come back. This exit is closed, B9. Exit B7. We can see some lines here, some metro lines going from this station. You can see Marunouchi line. I have just came by that. One another is Fuku Toshin line, Toei Shinjuku line, Marunouchi, Toei Oido line, and Oi line, JR line, Odakyu line, Seibu Shinjuku line, Shinjuku bus terminal, Takashimaya Times Square. So these are all different lines. You can also see station guide. So this is Shinjuku for you. I will take any exit and I will go out and I will experience Shinjuku. 3 days I am coming to Shinjuku because I didn't have time. I have only 4 days in Japan. Sorry, Tokyo. 4 nights in Tokyo. 1 night I have spent in Narita Airport, close to Narita Airport, because I have arrived by flight late in the night, like 9:30. So I didn't come to Tokyo. So next day, whole day wasted coming to Tokyo. I was a bit tired. So this is Shinjuku. You can see it looks beautiful. On-site skyscrapers. So I think first one is Ginza, next is Shinjuku, and the next is Shibuya. But I am yet to visit Ikebukuro and Akihabara. So those are the two places again, central district, central Tokyo. Ikebukuro and Akihabara. So even Tokyo also, Tokyo central city. So this is Shinjuku. We'll walk here for maybe a couple of minutes. It is still raining, so non-stop since morning. So people are shopping. These people like to do shopping very much.
超过1万元以上还有额外9折的债券可以做折扣。
Everywhere you can see shops, everywhere departmental stores. Right. It is very rare to see noise like that. So it is highly disturbing for them. So you will never see like that. It's the first time I am seeing noise like that. So if I see any new restaurant, I will go and eat something. Because I have been eating like fries since morning, onion rings, croissant, donut, everything. But not Indian. That's why I am feeling hungry. So everything. So you can see another exit there. Tokyo Metro exit. So here another 3 exits are there here. Here.
Yeah.
No, Ginza is much better, right?
Ginza?
Yeah.
Really? I was in Ginza spot.
Okay. No, Ginza has more high-rise buildings than
Yeah.
Shinjuku, yeah. You are from?
French.
Oh, Bozu.
Bonjour.
Okay. Paris?
No,
Nice.
Bordeaux.
Oh, okay. Lyon.
Lyon.
Oh, okay.
Nice, really.
I am going in May.
In May?
Going to Paris
Yeah.
by Eurostar. From London to Paris.
You're from London?
London to... No, I am from India.
Okay.
I will go to Gare du Nord.
Yeah, you know.
Gare du Nord, yeah. And I take a train.
You will enjoy.
Take a train from Gare de Lyon and go to Geneva, TGV, Duplé.
Right?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
So good, man.
Cool, yeah, enjoy, yeah.
Enjoy you too.
Yeah, fine. Just met 2 French guys. So if they say we are from France, I may say about TGV, Paris Metro, Gare du Nord, Gare de Lyon, Disneyland, so the places which I have visited. So immediately they will connect with me. They know that I know something about Paris. France are nice, Nice, so are Montreux, Bordeaux, so these are all Paris, France.